Or good morning, or whatever time you're watching this video. Excuse me. Um, as you can see, I have yet another version of Hand for Brian, for my friend Brian. You can, for people who see this for the first time, they can go to uh, my videos there, and there are several different versions of this hand. Um, and Brian had an idea to change the colors and compared to the one previous video where it was similar to this, but it had smaller gears. I mean, the teeth themselves, as well as a different color scheme. But this is the color scheme that Brian chosen, not like the one I did. And as you can see, there's a crank in here, and then you crank it, and uh, the teeth moves not just on this side, but they also move on the other side. And I use brass, solid brass rods, and left them a little proud in here, make it look a little prettier. And I also made him one of these knobs in black, and then one black and yellow stripes. And so he can just take this out and then put a different color there, the one he likes. But this is his favorite, and he absolutely enjoys this the process as well as how it looks and how it turned out. And he can wear it. He actually wore it on a Saturday a few days ago, and I'm just very happy that I can assist him in his uh, endeavor with these arms. I might find me some more people and have some fun. So that's very simple, quick little video. Uh, Please spread the news, and then also gives me thumbs up. But fantastic day is what you should have today, and not just today, but tomorrow and after tomorrow. Bye bye.